Today, picture yourself standing on the edge of a new day, ready to bring your body to life. This 5-minute flow is all about inviting flexibility and movement, releasing tightness from head to toe. Each stretch flows into the next, creating a sense of balance and strength to start your day with purpose. Start seated with your legs crossed, spine tall. Lift your right arm overhead, breathing in deeply, and as you exhale, lean gently to the left. Feel the stretch open along your side, releasing any tightness held in your ribs and waist. Switch sides after 30 seconds, lifting your left arm and leaning to the right. Each reach is like an invitation to open, grounding you and bringing calm focus. Stand up. Feet hip width apart. Inhale, lifting your arms high. Then exhale, folding forward from the hips and letting your arms hang. Feel the stretch along your hamstrings and lower back as gravity naturally guides you into a deeper stretch. Hold for a full minute, swaying gently side to side if you like. Each breath invites more release and flexibility, preparing you to move forward lightly and openly. Get in a squat position and gently drop your right knee towards your right foot. Then come back to center and drop your left knee towards your right foot. Feel each rotation, opening your hips and loosening your lower back. This movement is grounding, releasing tension from the lower body and bringing warmth and fluidity to your hips. Each turn builds flexibility, giving you a sense of readiness. Lie down on your stomach and lift your chest slightly off the ground, pressing your forearms into the mat. Feel the stretch travel from your shoulders down to your lower back. This position invites openness through your chest, releasing any lingering tightness from the night. Come up onto your knees, moving into child stretch. Arms reaching forward as your forehead rests on the mat. Breathe here, feeling the stretch through your back, and then glide forward into a gentle chest lift, pressing your forearms down as you lift your heart. Continue this gentle dynamic movement for a full minute, letting each transition bring flexibility and connection to your spine. This final movement is your morning flow, bridging the gap between grounding and readiness. Great job, fam. In these 5 minutes, you move through a balanced flow, grounding each part of your body and inviting flexibility. If you're feeling more mobile and energized, smash that subscribe button to join the fam for more routines like this. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go!